posture. Normalize your breathing. Adopt Chin Mudra, both hands. Relax your facial muscles. Let go your whole body. Let's start this session with 3 Omkaras. Take a deep breath in. Again. Last time. Join your palm for prayer. Sahana bhavatu, sahana bhunaktu, sahaviryam karavavahai, tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Take back your hands. Hold your right wrist with the left palm. Inhale, then back. Push your chest forward, chin forward. Drop your elbow and drop your shoulders. Shashanka Pranama. Let's do Shashanka breathing today. Inhale, exhale. Inhaling, slowly come up. Exhaling, front side. Inhale, push your chin forward. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Left side. Inhale up. Exhale, Shashanka breathing. Very good for your spine. Slowly come up. Come to standing posture. Today, ankle stretch breathing. Inhale. Come on your toes. Exhale. Again. Inhaling. Come up. Come on your toes. Exhale. Again. Inhaling. Synchronize your hand movement with your breathing. Stretch up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing. Come on your toes. Breathe out. Last time. Breathing. Breathe out. Now, as usual, let's start with loosening practices. Forward, backward bending. Inhale. Exhale. Swing your hands. Exhale. Do not bend at your knee. Do not bend at your elbow. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now stand. Now side bending. Separate your foot. Stretch your hands shoulder level. Toes pointing inside. Bend laterally. Bicep stretching here. Bend sideways as much as you can. Do not bend forward, backward. Sit up, bending, twisting, come back, inhale, come up, exhale, bend, twist, come back, come up, bend, twist, come back, inhale, come up, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each time, sister waist and look up. So very good practice to start with the yoga session. Makes your spine very flexible. Whole body will be activated. Loosening practices. So now, alternate toe touching. Look up each time. Now, while stopping, don't return. Slowly come up. Now, bring your legs a little bit nearer. Foot should be parallel to each other. Now, full rest. Try not to bend your elbow. Don't lift your heels. Exhale. Exhale. Last time, opposite twist. Stop the practice. Just relax for a while. Nishithila, Tadasana. Standing relaxing practice. In dynamic practices, let's do mountain climbing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, exhale from your mouth, Mukha Dhanti. All practices should be in order. Forceful exhalation through your mouth. Throughout the excess heat produced in your body due to loosening and dynamic practices. Now, sit and relax. Now, let's start with the twisting posture. Join your foot. Both legs towards your right. Bharadwajasana. Both knees should be resting on the floor. Then twist towards your left. Raise your back. Twisting postures are very good to activate the pancreas for insulin secretion. Look back. Both shoulders should come in one line. Both hands should be straight. If possible, try to catch your foot back. Bharadwajasana. Now, 40 minutes. Relax for a while. Now, let's practice the same towards your left. Both knees folded, and then legs towards your left, turn right. Look back. Don't lean on your back hand or right hand now. Twist your waist. The breathing should be normal. Try to maintain the posture as long as you can. Slowly turn back. Release your legs. Relax. Next, let's practice Akarana Dhanurasana. Now, catch your big toe. Lift your right leg. This is Akarana Dhanurasana. Let's practice as a breathing practice now. Inhale. Catch your big toe and then here with the same hand, same fingers. Exhale. Now inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Akarana Dhanurasana. It's very good practice for your hip joint. Exhale. Change. Exhale. Left leg. Last time. Right leg. Exhale. Inhale. Lift up. Exhale. Now, release your hand. Relax. Now, let's do the variation. Change your hands. Opposite ear. Two to the opposite ear. No need to maintain for longer time. इधर से जैसे हाँ करना धनुरासन very powerful posture. Works on your upper arm, legs, hip joint. Next, let's practice Balasana. One forward bending posture. Join your foot. Slowly come up. Without raising your heels, try to clasp your fingers behind your heels. Don't lift. Try to bend your head down. Balasana. Can you see me? Come sideways. Hands back. Bend. If possible, try to put your chin down. Garland posture. Forward bending. Try once again. Slowly come up, inhaling. Release your leg. Relax. Next, let's practice one balancing, that is Vatayanasana. Right leg, Ardha Padmasana. Then fold your left knee. Then slowly come up. Clasp your fingers. Lift up. This is Vatayanasana. Try to maintain. Back should be straight. You can take the support of the wall or pillar. One knee and then one foot should be rested on the floor. In Ardha Padmasana. Release now. Same fashion, you have to release the posture. One leg and then other leg. Separate your legs. Relax. In between two practices, you need to relax at least for 15 to 20 seconds to bring back your breathing to normal and then relax your body also so that you can practice the next posture perfectly. Your energy will not be drained then. Now, join your leg. Left leg, Ardha Padmasana. Now, fold your right leg. Come up. Raise your head up. Straighten your back. Vatayanasana. Try to remember the names of the practice. Please do not close your eyes in any balancing posture. Slowly release. Release the knee. The legs one by one. Relax back in Shikila Dandasana. While relaxing, just observe the changes in your body. Your mind, body and breath are completely involved. Practice each posture. There are enormous benefits if you practice yoga regularly. You can feel the calmness of your mind also. Now, one more practice. Standing practices. Slowly come up. Standing posture. Today let's practice Virabhadrasana series. Separate your legs. Stretch your hands. Shoulder level. Virabhadrasana type 1. Turn your right foot up, left foot in. Turn your whole upper body and then lift your hands up, join your palms, adjust your feet, push your right leg. Virabhadrasana type 1. Look up. Straighten your elbows. Your right knee should fall 90 degrees or it should be in L shape. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, slowly come up and back. Bring your legs a little bit together. Relax. Virabhadrasana practices are very powerful. There are 3 numbers. Virabhadrasana type 1, type 2, type 3. It works on your legs. Strengthens your legs. And then you can get rid of thigh fat also. Now, turn your right foot up, left foot in, turn your whole upper body, join your palms, stretch your left knee front, look up the ceiling, look at your palms, left leg should fall 90 degrees or it should be in L shape. Try to maintain the posture as long as you can. Virabhadrasana type 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring back your leg. Turn. Release your hands. Relax. In Shitila, Tadasana. Next, let's practice balancing. That is Natarajasana. Lift up. See from the front. Lift your leg. Can release. Other side. Stretch up. Lift your leg as much as you can. See, concentration is very important in any balancing practice. lift up, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release, relax. Relax your knees first. Reverse. Front and back. Relax your waist. Reverse. Now let's move on to Surya Namaskara practice or sun salutation. First, let's start with Surya Namaskara shloka. Join your palms. Possible, try to join your feet. Thumb should be touching the sternum. Forearm should be parallel to the floor. हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषन् अपाकुरु सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये ॐ राम मित्राय नमः ऊर्ध्वासना उत्तानासना एकपाद प्रसरणासना द्विपाद प्रसरणासना शशांकासना अष्टांग नमस्कारासना ऊर्ध्वमुख श्वानासना lift your knees up, arch your back, cobra posture, Adho Shvanasana, stamp your knees, again, Shashankasana, Ashwasanchalanasana, Padahastasana, back to Namaskara Mudra. Om Hrim Ravane Namaha. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shata, point your toes, 8 in posture, Sapta, Ashta, Nama, Dasha, Ekadasha, Dvadasha. Om Hum Suryaya Namaha. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, knee stop. Exhale. Inhale, come up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, knee stop. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Om Hrim Bharani Namaha. Utthasana. Uttanasana. Ekapada Prasaranasana, right leg back. Dvipada Prasaranasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Shashankasana. Ashwasanchalanasana. Learn the central points of the practices. Remember the names also. Padahastasana. Back to Namaskara Mudra. Om Ham Khadaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Om Namaha Pushni Namaha. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, knee stop, breathe out, breathe in, 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 breathe out. Now, another 2 rounds, this side. Om Ram Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Urdhvasana. Uttanasana. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Dvipada Prasaranasana. Shashankasana. Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Shashankasana. Ashwasanchalanasana. Padahastasana. Namaskara Mudra. Om Him Manichai Namaha. Urdhvasana. Uttanasana. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Dvipada Prasaranasana. Shashankasana. अष्टांग नमस्कारासन, ऊर्ध्वमुख श्वानासन, अधोमुख श्वानासन, शशांकासन, अश्वसंचलनासन, पादहस्तासन, नमस्कार मुद्रा. Let's practice on chair now. Sun salutation or Surya Namaskara on the chair. Relax for a while. Dry your palm. Om Rum Adityaya Namaha. Ekam, Dve, Trine, Chatvari, Pancha, षट, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश, एकादश, द्वादश. ओम ह्रीं सवित्रे नमः. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Om Ram Bhargaya Namaha. Ekam, Dve, Trine, Chatvari, Pancha, षट, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश, एकादश, द्वादश. Last time. Om Namo Bhaskaraya Namaha. Ekam, Dve, Trine, Chatvari, Pancha, षट, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश, एकादश, द्वादश. Here is 12 lines of Surya Namaskar. Let's practice. Last one, 13th one with Bija mantras. Everyone, repeat after me. Jayarku. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayana. Om Ram Indraya Namaha. Om Hrim Ravaye Namaha. Om Bhur Suryaya Namaha. Om Hrim Bhanave Namaha. Om Ram Khagaya Namaha. Om Ram विष्णुपुष्णे नमः। ओम ह्रां हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ओम ह्रीं मरीचै नमः। ओम ह्रूं आदित्याय नमः। ओम ह्रीं सवित्रे नमः। ओम ह्रौं अर्काय नमः। ओम ह्रः भास्कराय नमः। The next 13 rounds of sun salutation for Surya Namaskara. Now let's practice few prone postures for that. Relaxing prone posture, relaxing posture, that is Makarasana. Separate your legs, heels facing each other. Today, let's practice one variation of Bhujangasana. For that, turn your legs, stretch your hands forward, chin on the floor, both palms by the side of the lower hip. Inhale, lift your upper body, push your knees down, arch your back, Cobra posture or Bhujangasana. Straighten your elbows, push your knees down. If your back is exerted, you can separate your legs. Exhale down. Do not drop your body. Draw elbows near and then inhale, lift up. Exhale down. Now, take Bhujangasana. Inhale, come up. Look up. Turn towards your right. Look at your heels. Turn back. Exhaling. Bring your body down. Last time. Inhale, lift up. Turn towards your left. Look at your heels. Without bending your elbows. Turn back. Exhaling. Come down. Relax back in Makarasana. Now let's practice complementary of Bhujangasana, that is Shalabhasana. Today let's practice Ardha Shalabhasana, supported, that is Salamba Shalabhasana. Please stop your palms, keep below your knees. Inhaling, lift your right leg up, straight up, and support with your left foot. Try to maintain the balance. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly finish your legs one by one. Salamba Shalabhasana, supported locust posture. Remember the names of the practices. Now let's practice with the other leg. Lift your left leg up, then support with your right foot. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, slowly release. Relax back in Makarasana. All Bhujangasana and then Shalabhasana postures are very good for your back. Makes your spine healthy. But you should listen to your body. Do not overdo the practice. Try as much as you can without hurting your limbs. Follow the breathing properly. You have to learn the technique properly and then follow the breathing, when to inhale and when to exhale. So to connect mind, body and breath. If you practice regularly, definitely you can master any posture. Now as usual, plank. Today let's practice plank stretch. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Try to put the crown of your head on the floor. Don't touch the middle part of the body to the floor. Inhale. Exhale. Namaste. Inhale. Exhale. Go. Turn on your back. Let's practice few supine postures. Lie down on your back. First relax for a while. Close your whole body. Balance your body. Your hands and legs should be same distance from the center point of your body. Today let's practice Muktasana Kriya. For that, stretch your hands up along the floor. Inhaling, lift your right leg up 90 degrees. Hold it, hold it. Lift your head up. People who are having high BP or leg pain, please do not lift. Then rotate the other leg. 2 should be like a stick. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your head. Don't release your knee. You have to reverse the practice. Reverse the rotation. Again, lift your head up. Reverse. Try to make a bigger round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your head down. Stretch your leg up. Release. Separate your legs and relax. So let's practice the same Pavana Muktasana Kriya with the leg. Join your foot, stretch your hands up along the floor, lift your left leg up straight, fold it, lift your head up, rotate the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is very good for your hip joint. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your head. Don't release your knee. Let's practice reverse rotation also. Again, lift your head up. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your head. Stretch up your leg. Release your hands. Release. Relax. Once again, relax for 2 seconds. You are done from Pavana Muktasana Kriya. Now, let's practice alternate leg raising. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop the practice. Join your knees, separate your foot, relax. Relax for a while. Normalize your breathing. Now, side crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do as much as you can. Stop the practice now. You stretch your legs forward, relaxing. Shavasana. The Pavana Muktasana Kriya itself relaxes to the lower back, lumbar region. So close your whole body, close your eyes, relax each and every part of your body. Observe your abdominal muscle movement. See how they are bulging up and sinking down. Now synchronize your abdominal movement with your breathing. When your abdomen is bulging up, now to inhale. When it is sinking down, exhale. Correct your breathing. Fill up your lungs. Empty your lungs. Inhale all the positivities. Exhale all the negativities. Supply more and more oxygen to all parts of your body. Each cell needs sufficient oxygen. Life force. Now, your breathing is normal. Practice yogic breathing in supine posture. Deep inhalation. Slow exhalation. Exhalation should be double the time of the inhalation. Now, let's chant Akara and Ukara and Makara. Take a deep breath in. Again, inhale. Finally. This is QRT or quick relaxation technique. Now, gently move your toes, fingers and neck. Bring your legs together, hands near the body. Hold your left leg, slide your right hand above, turn towards your right, one leg on the other, take one more breath. Slowly come out of Shavasana. Now we are at the last part of this yoga session. Sit in any comfortable posture. Let's practice. Trataka today. Trataka is a Kriya, eye exercise. Today let's practice simple Trataka. Sit in any comfortable position of your choice. I prefer to sit in Padmasana as it makes my body erect, back erect, neck relaxed. Trataka is a exercising with your eyes. Don't move your head. Just move your eyeballs. First up, down, again, up, down, both eyeballs up. Don't move your head. Down, Close your eyes. Relax your eyeballs. Now, both eyeballs towards your right. Now, towards left. Right. Left. Last time, right. Left. Relax your eyeballs by closing your eyes. If you feel uncomfortable, you can immediately stop the practice. This is simple Karataka or eye exercise. Now, diagonal practice. Right down, left up, right down, left up, last time, right down, left up, close your eyes. Now, left down, right up, left up, right up, last time, left down, right up, again close your eyes. Finally, let's practice circular movement. Down, gently open your eyes. Down, right down, right, right up, left up, left, left down, down, so reverse, left down, left, left up, right up, right, right down, down, again reverse, right down, right, right up, left up, left, left down, down, last time, reverse again, left down, left, left up, right up, right, right down, down. Now, close your eyes. Let's do palming, thrice, rub your palms. Do not open your eyes. Transfer that heat to your eyeballs. Once again, rub your palms. Last time, rub your palms. Now also, please do not open your eyes. Now let's end this session with prayer and then Omkara first. Take a deep breath in. Om. Asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Take back your hands. Hold your right wrist with the left palm. Inhale here. Exhale. Make. Inhaling. Slowly come up. Let's do palming for the last time. Rub your palms. Transfer that heat to your eyeballs. Now, gently open your eyes. Blinks. If you are feeling uncomfortable, you can sprinkle some cold water in your eyes. Here ends this session. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, Ji.
Thank you, Vasudha ji. Great session.
Thank you.